Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a clickable, interactive presentation using hyperlinks in Canva. If you want to impress your audience with a smooth, professional, and engaging presentation that lets viewers jump between sections or external websites with a single click, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know everything you need to create an interactive presentation that feels a lot more like a website than a standard slideshow. So let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Canva, either in your browser or the app. Take a moment here to make sure you're logged into your account so you can save your work as you go. Once you're in, look for the big Create a Design button at the top right. Now in the search bar that pops up, type in Website. That's right, even though we're making an interactive presentation, the website design format in Canva gives you a lot more flexibility for hyperlinks, clickable elements, and overall interactivity. So go ahead and select Website. Now this is where the fun begins. Browse through the templates Canva offers. You can choose any template that fits the mood and style you're going for, whether it's something professional, creative, or minimal. Don't stress too much about getting it perfect on the first try. You can always switch things up later as your ideas evolve. Pick a template that resonates with your content or simply start with a blank canvas if you want total control. Let's talk about the importance of hyperlinks in your presentation. Think of hyperlinks as the road signs on a highway. They guide your viewers at exactly the right moments, leading them straight to more information or resources without confusion. In an official website or presentation, this is absolutely crucial, especially if you want people to visit your portfolio, learn about your services, or access further reading. Rather than cramming all your info on one page, you can use hyperlinks to create a seamless experience for your audience. Okay, let's see how easy it is to actually add a hyperlink in Canva. Find some text on your template. This could be a word like contact, learn more, or anything you want to make clickable. It doesn't just have to be text, by the way. You can also hyperlink images, icons, or shapes. But for today, let's stick with text for simplicity. Highlight the word you want to hyperlink. Then right-click on it to bring up the context menu. You'll see an option labeled link. Go ahead and click that. A search bar or field will appear asking for the URL. In this box, type or paste the website address you want your viewers to go to after clicking the word. It could be your company homepage, a booking page, or even another slide in your presentation. Double check that the link is correct. It's easy to miss a letter or two when copy-pasting URLs. And that's really it. You've just added a clickable hyperlink to your Canva presentation. You can go back and repeat this process for as many elements as you want, linking to different pages, emails, documents, anything the presentation might need. Once you've finished adding all your interactive links, don't forget to preview your presentation by hitting the Present or Preview Website button at the top. Try clicking your links to make sure they're working as expected. If something isn't quite right, don't worry. It only takes a few seconds to fix. And there you have it. You've learned how to use Canva's hyperlink feature to make a presentation that's truly interactive and clickable, a major upgrade from plain old slides. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more tutorials like this. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching and happy designing.